Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by Mr. Carlos, and as usual, I cannot remember what's in there. So we're going to all experience it together. Surprise! That's how I do every unboxing. Thank you so much to all of my generous patrons who are supporting me during this time. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, of course, there is a link down in the description. You can get your hands on those stickers and some other exclusive benefits that support would mean the world to me. As per usual, unboxing with the legendary Spyderco PM2. You can pick that up in the Amazon store that I reference at the beginning of every video. This is the one that I, depending on the order of when I'm doing those unboxings, this is the one that I thought I was getting the other day when I picked up the, well, I want to ruin it depending on how I do the order. Anyways, this I believe was sent by the, I think this is the Pass Run group, or maybe it's not. We'll figure it out. Hang on, is there a note in here? I think this is from the Pass Run group. So you guys can tell, this is, get out of here, PM2. It's not about you. The Autocrat 3400. For anybody who doesn't know, this is Benchmade's new. Oh, this is not from Zach Stuff, but there's his sticker. I'll take another Zach Stuff sticker. This is Benchmade's new OTF, and judging by the appearance of it from pictures, I am very much attracted to the initial look of this design. Let's fire it. Oh boy, that is a good looking OTF. And guess what, guys? Guess what? We have what looks like, let's do a measurement. Where is the, there it is. It looks like, I'm going to guess 3.75 at least. Yeah, 3.75 inches of blade. Close to the Infidel blade. Very similar style, but no, you know, balls. To quote Super Steel Steve, no awkward shape there. Man, the action feels much snappier, much more solid, and very, very little blade play. Much less than actually have a. Well, we'll save that for the review. I've got an Infidel, but yeah, much less blade play than a Benchmade Infidel. Very, very similar to Microtech and very solid on the action. This is very impressive. First impressions of this, very impressive. This is an expensive OTF, guys. I mean, we are talking about Microtech prices. This is a US-made OTF. It's S30V. It looks like G10 with some steel underneath there, maybe some aluminum. I like the lever here. That looks like probably anodized aluminum. And then these screws might be titanium, or at least titanium coated. But what an attractive OTF. Man, that is beautiful. Very, very cool. Zach Stuff getting an advertisement here. Check out Zach Stuff. I don't think that's the channel it came from, judging by the box. But yeah, check him out. Great channel. Very cool. Excited to talk about this one, especially considering it's a new Benchmade knife and a very, you know, much needed upgrade to some of their past OTFs. In my opinion, this is far and away the best looking OTF that Benchmade has ever done. And I'd be lying if I said it wasn't one of the best looking OTFs that are out there right now. So we'll see. I need to spend some time with it, but very, very cool. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.